Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in global sentiment, with a score of plus 0.08 and a momentum of plus 0.70 over the past 24 hours. This is unusual. Historically, sentiment shifts at this scale don't occur without significant events driving them. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, which can help you understand underlying factors in the data. For developers like you, this means you can build applications that identify emerging trends and react in real time. For instance, you could create a dashboard that alerts you when sentiment shifts significantly, enabling you to adjust your strategies proactively. Dive deeper into the data and see how you can leverage it for your projects at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.